In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make SVG files in Photoshop 2024 and expertly export them. Creating SVG files is an essential skill for designers who want to maintain quality in scalable designs. Let's dive right in and walk through each step with precision and clarity. First up, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Make sure you're working with the 2024 version to follow along with the exact features and options. If you're not familiar with SVG files, these are scalable vector graphics which are ideal for images that need to be scaled to different sizes without losing quality, perfect for logos and illustrations used across various digital platforms. Now, with Photoshop open, it's time to add your image or design logo that you're planning to convert to SVG. To do this, either create your new design directly in Photoshop using its vast array of tools, or import a pre-existing image by going to File and clicking Open. If you're importing, navigate to the location of your file, select it, and click Open. Ensure that your image is clean and ready for export, as this will ensure the highest quality SVG possible. When your image is ready in Photoshop, the next step is key, saving your design as an SVG file. Navigate to the File menu again, and this time click on Export. In the drop-down menu, you'll find Export As. Click on it, and a new window will appear offering you various export options. This is where you convert your file to the SVG format. Select SVG from the format options. Before you hit the Export button, and this part's important, review the SVG options. Make sure Include Background is unchecked if you want a transparent background, which is often desired for web graphics. Also, check Responsive to allow the SVG dimensional flexibility for responsive web design. Once you've done these, click Export, choose the destination for your file, give it a name, and click Save. Congratulations, you've just created an SVG file using Photoshop 2024. This file can now be used in a variety of applications, offering clean scalability. Before we wrap up, let me give you a quick tip. Always double check your design layers before exporting to SVG. Make sure all the vector elements are intact and there are no unwanted pixels left. This ensures your SVG remains crisp and clean no matter the size. That's all there is to it. Creating SVG files in Photoshop is straightforward once you understand the steps. Practice these a few times and it will become second nature. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on mastering Adobe tools and happy designing.